What's happening, everybody? We're here at the Embassy Suites in Myrtle Beach to check out the progress of the newest restaurant and hangout, the Black Drum Brewery. As you can see, they're still under construction, but they're supposed to be open sometime this summer. This place is supposed to have beers on tap from both Carolinas and great seafood. But also new pools, water parks, and cabanas just steps from the ocean. Here's some shots of what it should look like when it's complete. Let's get Oceanside. Who's this?
This pub should be ready anytime. Comes with a beautiful view of the ocean and very close to the beautiful hotel right there, which they have lots of suites that you can enter into. Nice swimming pools and an adult swimming pool right there. Some nice cabanas that will keep you out of the sun, the good old toasty sun, so you won't have to sit in the sun all day and roast away. And just check out those water slides. Looks like a good time for the whole entire family to enjoy. Good time for everyone, all ages. Might be a luxury fire pit right here. Kind of looks like it. Looks like propane gas on the outside. Alrighty, well there you go. We'll keep updating it. Oh, it also looks like there's a maybe, okay, that's just where, I thought it was a lazy river, but it looks like it's just where the pool, where the slides end into the pool. There's a big old bucket back there.
To jump on the kid's head?
Yeah, keep them nice and cool. Black Drum Brewery and Waterpark. Don't forget where you saw it first on Beachin With The Boones. As always, keep beaching.